This tip could possibly help you time the top and the bottom and make you over 100%. Stay tuned. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. The speaker's opinions should not be considered as advice from a licensed professional. Viewers should not use this content as a specific inducement to make investments or follow strategies, but rather as an expression of opinion. Follow the rest of the disclaimer, but please do your own research. All right, what up, Tycoons? Welcome to Tycoon Network, where we specialize in trading stock options and providing education on stock market investing to help others achieve financial success. Now, what we have here is the ES Weekly, which is the SP 500. I'm going to keep it short. So we have the RSI getting above 79 only 3 times in the last 28 years, okay? It's only happened 3 times in the last 28 years, and the last 2 times it happened were in 2020 and 2017. Each time that happened, we pulled back or had a correction. So what I want to show you is over here, last week, we actually went over 79. All right, you can actually see the number right here when I go over it. Boom, 79. All right. So what are we looking at? Okay, where is the top? Where can we go? Okay, so each time we went over 79, you'll see that we went to the top of the bands, top of the Bollinger Bands, and then fell to that yellow line, which is the 50 SMA, and tested that, okay? So over here, we went to the top of the bands, and then we fell to the 50 SMA to test that, which, you know, that was 2020, the COVID recession, so we ended up falling below the 50 SMA, but we're just gonna, you know, target the 50 SMA for now. So going a little closer to that, you'll see, boom, top of the bands, and then tested 50 SMA, all right? Top of the bands, tested 50 SMA, fell below it, retested it, fell below, all right? Now, what do you think is gonna happen here, okay? I think we're going to test the top of the bands over here, which is at around 5404 or 5402, right? We're going to test the top of the bands, in my opinion. And then we could fall to the 50 SMA for that correction everybody has been looking for, which is around 4605, okay? Now, understand that 4605 for the 50 SMA, it could keep rising along with, you know, price action when it tries to hit the top of the band. So that 4605 price target, it might be off around 20 to 30 points when this occurs. But just so you know, in my opinion, to keep it short, I think we are going to test the top of the weekly band and then have the correction all the way down to the 50 SMA. I don't know how long it's going to take to reach the top of the band or for the correction, but the targets are there. And when we see the bigger picture, we can kind of scale down. So when we say 5402 on ES, that is 5350 for SPX. That's also 533 for SPY, okay? So I think we reach 5402 on ES before we have a correction. 5402 on ES, I think we hit 5350 on SPX, and I think we hit 533 on SPY, okay? The alternate is we might not make a new high and go up to 5402. We might just crash from here or correct from here. I don't really think that's going to happen because, well, I'm open to it. I'm open to it. Let me just say that. So that's what we're looking at, and that's kind of what I wanted to show you guys. You know, when we put that in perspective, the correction. I'm not going to go with percentages, but I think that we correct to the 50 SMA, in my opinion. So pre-market, we reached where I thought we were going to reach tomorrow. which is fine. But looking at the bigger picture, once again, 5402 for ES, 5350 for SPX, and 533 for SPY is where I think we could rise to before, pulling back. Once again, this RSI over 79 has only happened 3 times in the last 28 years, okay? And every time prior, we have seen, a pullback. So I think we reach the top of the bands, pull back to the 50 SMA, and then pull up again. Only, okay, if we hold support at the 50 SMA. All right. So I think we hold support there, and I think we push higher. And my higher target is around 56 to 5,800. But I'll give you an exact target in a later video. Okay. But it is possible for us to reach like between 5,600 and 6,000. Very possible. Very, very possible. All right. So that is my opinion, and happy trading. Make sure you join our free newsletter, The Tycoon Blueprint. Invest smarter, grow faster. All you have to do is click the link below and provide your email to subscribe. Don't forget to join our exclusive trading and investing community where we provide a blend of technical analysis and cutting edge AI technology like AI powered stock predictive flow channels. We have the crypto alerts for breakouts. We have the stock option call outs by AI. They even give you the strike price and the expiration, along with several other features. We also have the trade suggestions from ourselves, the stock suggestions, leap suggestions, call outs from ourselves, economic data updates, and much more. Make sure you click the link below to join. Here's some of the profits from our trading group. We have from 20% all the way up to 4,000%. Now that's an anomaly, but we also have a couple 100% right here, 500, 160 right here. We also have 50%. So we look forward to seeing you in our trading group so you can get some profit as well. Also, whether you're an expert trader in need of a little help, or if you're a novice and you've never traded before, you want to get our accelerated trading course just for $19.97. We have 3 sections in there: foundation, framework, and finishes. Also having a bonus section with a lot of material that can help you with the investment journey, and it comes with a few ebooks. So this keeps it really simple, hones in on how you can make money now and in the future in the market. So this is really essential if you want to learn and grow. So accelerated trading course, only $19.97. You want to grab that. Lastly, if you or someone you know is interested in futures trading, click that link below for Apex Trader Funding and the promo code. Input that promo code for 80% off. Now, if you don't have a ton of money, you can get access to between $25,000 and $300,000 per account. All you have to do is pay a small monthly fee, but with the promo code, you'll get 80% off. If you get 20 accounts for $300,000, that's $6 million in trader funding. And all you have to do is pay $2,000 a month. So you get access to $25,000 for your first withdrawal. And after that, you'll get 90% of the profits that you make. So once again, click that link below, put the promo code in, start trading now.